$10 one Batsu, that's easy. Fine, I'll give you 2 spins on the wheel then. What about that? Trade off. Yup, I'm offering you a good deal right now. It's once in a lifetime. You should agree to it now.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
Why?
No deal. Here is $20. 20 more shovels.
What about that? You guys managed to, peer pressure Solus to take this quiz right now. I mean, her next stream, I will give you something in return. What about that? Challenge accepted. Can we make a... Oh, if you can... Fuck. It scared me
I
so
made a
much.
$10 bet for Tsundere. I lost ya. Here you go.